The Breville BPZ820BSS Pizza Maker is designed to reach temperatures up to 750 degrees, allowing you to craft authentic wood-fired style pizzas in just 2 minutes. Its Element IQ system intelligently adjusts the heating elements to ensure that every pizza, whether topped with pepperoni or pineapple, is cooked to perfection. With preset cooking functions, you can easily create various pizza styles such as wood-fired, New York, pan, thin and crispy, and frozen, providing versatility in your home kitchen. The specialized heat technology replicates a brick oven bake, offering even cooking and the ability to char the crust while browning the base without compromising the toppings. The Breville Pizza Maker uses conductive heat to achieve a perfectly charred base, while radiant heat ensures a leopard-spotted crust, reminiscent of a traditional brick oven experience. Its manual mode offers full customization, allowing you to select the pizza style, control temperature, and choose which heating elements are in operation for a tailored cooking experience.